Oh my goodness. That's incredible. That is incredible.
It was a big risk, but it paid off.
Look at that colour. Ah, wow.
A lot of you will be sad about the first colour bar, but you gotta agree, it's great.
So I've just changed wheels because the other one is too new and too rough. We're going a little bit finer because this is a very, very special looking stone.
Well, I got away with the risk, but now it's a matter of how big is this gem going to be, and what do I need to do to get all of the inclusions out. There's a couple of white spots in there that I'm a bit concerned about. The dome is going to be low as the colour bar is really thin, and I've got to be careful not to go past that colour bar and into the potch on the back. Otherwise, we make it a much smaller stone than previously thought. Before we get to the end of the video, give me your best guess. What does it weigh and what's it going to be worth? Leave a comment below. There seems to be a white spot in the stone that's going to have to make it go even smaller. And I've got no choice, but I can't leave it in there. It's going to ruin the value of the gem. So I'm just going to have to take it in a little bit further. I guess now you can guess again what the weight's going to be.